For this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to receive a deposit on a work order in the system with the 360 Payments terminal. So you can see I have work order 66 open, and to receive a deposit to get tires coming or to order those tires and get that process started, we require that a deposit be made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to my options button, and then you're going to click on the deposit button here in the invoice options screen. And then you're going to come in and you're going to tell the system what credit card you are receiving. So in this case, I'm going to use the Visa, and then you can put in the dollar amount that you are wanting to charge on the customer's card, and then you would validate the card. Then from there, the customer would insert or swipe their card. And then you can see that the transaction was successful for the charge on the card. I would click OK, and then I can put in notes if I would like to. And then I can post that deposit. And then it's going to generate a ROA receipt. So you can give this to the customer, and then you can close that. And that's how you would receive a deposit in the system with the 360 Payments terminal. You can see